With Gravity SMTP 1.1, you can now integrate Gravity SMTP with Google/Gmail to send emails from your WordPress site. In this video, we'll take a look at everything you need to know to integrate Gravity SMTP with Google. Please note that, to follow along with this video, you'll need a Google Cloud Console account with the billing method configured and enabled, as well as Gravity SMTP installed on your site. One other important thing to note is that Gmail accounts come with outgoing volume limitations and are not appropriate for website-critical email functions. Instead, we recommend a service built specifically for transactional email sending, such as Brevo or Postmark, both of which are integrated with Gravity SMTP. To get started, navigate to the Google Cloud Console. A link will be included in the description of this video so you can easily access it. Click on the Project drop-down menu in the top navigation bar and create a new project. Be sure to give it an appropriate name and ensure it is active by setting it as the preferred project from the drop-down menu. Next, in the Google Cloud Console, navigate to the APIs and Services section and select Library. Search for the Gmail API and select it from the search results. Then, click Enable to activate the Gmail API for your project. After you've enabled the Gmail API, navigate to the OAuth consent screen in the APIs and Services section of the Cloud Console. Set the user type to external, then click Create. You'll then need to give the app a name, as well as set the user support email and developer email address. Once those are set, select Save and Continue. We'll leave the Scope section and Test Users section as is, so select Save and Continue on both pages. Next, head to Credentials within the APIs and Services section of the Cloud Console. Click Create Credentials and select OAuth Client ID from the dropdown. Then, set the application type to Web Application. You have the option to change the name of the OAuth 2.0 client, but for this example, I'm just going to use the default name. You'll next want to navigate to your WordPress dashboard and go to the Gravity SMTP settings page and select Integrations. From here, open the Google/Gmail settings and copy the authorized redirect URI. Head back to the Google Cloud Console and select Add URI, then paste the URI you just copied and click Create. You'll next be given a client ID and client secret. Be sure to save these in a secure location. We will use them in just a second. In the Cloud Console, navigate to the OAuth consent screen within the APIs and Services section and select Publish App. Select Confirm when asked to push the app to production. Next, go back to the Gravity SMTP Google/Gmail settings within your WordPress dashboard and copy and paste your client ID and client secret. Then, under Authorization, use the link on screen to sign into your Google account with an email account that has been authorized to use your app. Once you've authorized your Google account, choose whether or not you'd like to force a from email or from name, then save your changes. You can then use the toggle to connect Gravity SMTP with Google. The final step is to send a test email and check your email log to verify that everything is working correctly. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know in the comments. And for more guides and tutorials on all things Gravity SMTP, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.